I think somebody said separation is the only solution, but the reality of that is it's not. We don't have, well, it's, I think it's layered. I think it starts with kind of a little bit of what Shalay was saying. We need to spread out across industries in order to do it. We can't do it with what we have right now. We need nails, we need wood, we need infrastructure, we need those things in order to truly separate. The only true separation we could do right now is consumerism, like just shop with black people. Like that's literally all we can do right now because we're not broad enough in our infrastructure and our access to truly separate like they did back in the day when we talk about it, right? We're so integrated, it would be difficult. One of the things I always talk about when we talk about these types of conversation is, in the areas where we are not in, try to tie your transaction to somebody black so that that business can try to, elevate in that industry, right? We don't have insurance companies. So if we separate who we get our insurance from, we don't manufacture technology. So if we separate who we get our technology from, we don't have cabling. So if we separate, like we need more black owned businesses across the board. We need more black people in law. We need more black people as judges. We need to be more integrated into the areas that actually make an impact in our community so that we can grow and understand in order to separate.